In this video, I'll show you how to generate videos inside Grok. The process is very simple. Just follow along until the end. To get started, all you need to do is visit the official Grok website. Once you're there, go to the Imagine section on the left sidebar. Clicking on it will take you to the image and video generation dashboard. There are two methods for generating videos inside Grok. The first method is text to video, and the second method is image to video. When you open the dashboard, you'll see some previously created generations. You can click on any of these for a closer look. They appear super realistic. If you go to the image section, you'll see the source image used to generate the video, along with the prompt that was used. To start generating your own video, simply type your prompt in the text field. For example, I'll enter Titanic sailing in the sea. Next to that, you have a few options. You can select the aspect ratio of the video, either 2:3, 3:2, or 1:1. I'll keep it at 1:1 for now. Then select the Generate a Video option and press Enter. Grok will start generating your video. You'll need to wait briefly, but the process is usually very fast. As you can see, our video has been generated and it looks super cool. It even includes sound. If you wish to make changes to this video, simply modify your prompt and click Redo to generate a new version. You also have a download option to save the video to your PC, and you can create a shareable link to send to your team or anyone else. At the top, you'll find additional options. If you want to upscale your video, click the Upscale Video option and wait for the process to complete. Once finished, you'll see an HD badge appear at the top, indicating the upscaling is complete. The video now looks even better. That's how you generate videos using the text-to-video feature. Now, let's move on to the second method, image to video. If you have a particular image on your PC that you want to convert into a video, simply click the Attach icon, select Upload a File, and choose your image. I'll select an image I generated earlier in Grok. As soon as I upload it, Grok automatically starts generating a video from it. While this automatic feature can be convenient, it has its downsides. If you want to customize the video, you can enter a prompt to guide the generation according to your specifications. As you can see, our video has been generated and looks super cool. Similar to the previous video, you can select video presets at the bottom. Choose either spicy or normal, and Grok will generate accordingly. You also have the download and share options, plus the upscale option at the top. You can view the original image that was used to create the video. As I mentioned, Grok automatically generates a video upon image upload. However, if you prefer to enter custom instructions first, you can disable this feature. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left, go to Settings, then Behavior. You'll see Enable Automatic Video Generation, which states that Grok Imagine will automatically start generating a video upon image upload. Simply turn off this option. Now, when you upload an image, you'll have the opportunity to enter a prompt before generating the video, giving you more flexibility and control. The next option is generating videos from images you've already created inside Grok. For example, I'll generate an image by entering the prompt, Man riding an elephant. I'll select Image, set the ratio to 2:3, and press Enter. Grok will start generating images quickly. One of the best features is that it generates multiple images at once, allowing you to browse through them and select your preferred one. I'll select this third image. After opening it, you'll see options below to customize your video. You can simply click Make Video to convert the image into a video without any additional prompt, or you can use the video presets. In this case, I'll enter a prompt like Man jumping to the ground from the elephant, and press Enter. Grok will start generating the video. As you can see, the output looks great. It followed all the instructions accurately and appears very realistic. You can further customize this video by upscaling it, changing the prompt, or downloading it by clicking the download option. Those are all the methods for generating videos inside Grok. If you want to watch a video on how to generate images inside Grok, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.